Okay, today I'm just going to make you clear about the narration change. The rule, whatever I would make you clear, it's a very important rule for the narration change.
Hmm.
Its another name is called direct indirect speech. It's very clear, important. If somebody doesn't have the concept about that main rules, whatever I'm just going to teach you, then it's quite impossible to convert any kinds of narration change from direct speech to indirect speech. So give you a special attention that whatever I'm teaching to you. Okay. So narration change. See here I had written a sentence in the direct speech. Direct speech means the speaker's own word kept in the quotation, that is called the direct speech, and that is called indirect speech. It is so called because here a third person expresses the speech, so it is called indirect speech. Now let's come to the point, original point. What's the main rule? See, Kavita said to Rajesh, here said in the reporting part, I will tell you a story. I will tell you a story. Your reported speech is in the quotation. So here that is the verb. That is the verb. That is the subject of the reported speech. Verb of the reported speech, and it is double. It is having the double object. That is subject of the reporting verb. It's a reporting verb itself. The object or object type of the words. Now come to the point. What is the rule? Here, if the reporting verb is the past tense, means any corresponding forms of the past tense, means past tense are having how many kinds of corresponding forms? Four types of corresponding forms, like the past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and the past perfect continuous tense. So, if the reporting verb is in any corresponding forms of the past tense, then reported speeches verb will change into past tense. Once again I am telling, if the reporting verb is the past tense, means any corresponding forms of the past tense. Here it is the what forms, it is the past indefinite tense. Said means past indefinite tense. It may be the past continuous tense, it may be the past perfect tense. Like Kavita was saying or Kavita had said, that's not a factor. We will focus that if the reporting verb is the past tense, any corresponding forms of the past tense, then what will happen? Whenever I will convert into direct speech to indirect speech, then what will happen? Reported speeches verb will changed into past tense. Like here, will tell. Will past form is would. Tell. So that is the rule. And if the reporting verb is the present or reporting verb is the present or future tense, any corresponding forms of the present or future tense, then reported speeches verb will remain same. Reported speeches verb will not get changed. So that is the factor. So let's check. I just tell you one thing. Kavita said to Rajesh. Suppose here I changing you. I am telling you. I am telling you a story. So it will change into I, then pronoun change into she, then she was telling. Because here it is the past tense. So Kavita told Rajesh that she was telling, because present continuous tense change into past continuous tense. But if it was has said, suppose the reported verb is has said. So here we see has said means what does it mean? It means reporting verb is the present perfect tense. So any corresponding forms of the present tense means reported speeches verb will remain same. Reported speeches verb will not get changed into other tense. Reported speeches verb will remain same. It will present continuous tense change into present continuous tense. So Kavita has told Rajesh that she is telling her, sorry, she is telling him a story. So I think that this portion is clear, and that is verbal change reported for converting direct speech to indirect speech. One thing is there, one is called verbal change, second is called pronoun change. So verbal change is clear. Second is called pronoun change. What should be the pronoun change factor? Here, the reporting verb subject is the third person singular number female, and reported speech is subject, that is subject is the third person singular number female, and object is third person singular number male. So you have to understand what is the fact in the reported speech. You see I. Who is I? Whenever you are converting direct speech to indirect speech, you see I. I means who is I? I indicating the speaker, Kavita. So here in the indirect speech, I would change into Kavita's pronoun. Kavita is third person singular number female. So a hard pronoun, subjective pronoun, it would be she. Clear? And here you. You is who? You indicating Rajesh. Rajesh, here you is considered as the objective pronoun. So third person singular number male, objective pronoun him. Here I indicating speaker. Speaker is Kavita, third person singular number female, subjective pronoun she. So these are the two things, verbal change and pronoun change. Whenever you are converting direct speech to indirect speech, two things you have to give the special attention. Number one, verbal change. Second one is called pronoun change. Now, after that, I will make you clear totally. Okay. Now, when you come to the board, the class, you attend the class, then I will make you totally clear. Okay. Thank you.